How to stop background processes in Windows 11. Too many background processes can use up your system resources and reduce performance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to safely reduce background processes and improve your computer speed. Method 1. End unnecessary background processes. First, open the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Open Task Manager, then click the Processes tab if it isn't already selected. Here, you'll see all the apps and background processes currently running on your computer. If you find a process you recognize and no longer need, right-click it and select End Task. Be careful not to end Windows system processes or applications you're unsure about, as doing so may cause your computer to become unstable. Method 2. Disable startup apps. Next, click Startup Apps in the left sidebar of Task Manager. You'll see a list of applications that automatically launch when Windows starts. To reduce background processes and improve boot time, right-click any app you don't need to start automatically and choose Disable. The fewer startup apps you have enabled, the fewer background processes will run after you sign into Windows. Method 3. Disable non-Microsoft services. Now, close Task Manager and open the Start menu again. Search for Run. Open it, type msconfig and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, click the Services tab. Before making any changes, check the box labeled Hide All Microsoft Services. This step is important because it prevents you from accidentally disabling essential Windows services. Once the Microsoft services are hidden, click Disable All. Then click Apply and OK. Restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, Windows should have fewer background services running, which can improve overall system performance. If you notice any issues after making these changes, simply open msconfig again, return to the Services tab, and click Enable All to restore the disabled services. And that's it. That's how you can stop unnecessary background processes and speed up your Windows 11 PC. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides.